什么他们恭喜我求得天道。
Chapter 2 What is the Tao?
第2章蛇魔是道。
Chapter 3 What are the three treasures?
第3章何谓三宝。
Chapter 4 Why do the introducer and the sponsor take an oath at the altar?
第4章为什么引宝要立愿。
Chapter 5 Why I should take an oath before receiving the Tao.
第5章为什么要立求道愿。
Chapter 6 How to save human beings.
第6章如何求度众生。
Chapter 1 Why are they congratulating me on receiving the Tao? Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to extend my heartiest congratulations to you, for this is your most auspicious day. Today you have received the Tao, which is the ultimate aim of existence. All of the Buddhas and saints attained the Tao in the past and, by transcending the limitations of birth and death, had become immortal. That which you have received today is the same Tao. Formerly, one who intended to receive the Tao had to abandon worldly possessions and enjoyments. If he was a king, he had to abandon his kingdom. If he was a high official, he had to resign his high position, leave his family